The first thing you're gonna need is an Echo SpeedFeed 400 head, and you're gonna wanna look for one with all these adapters. Open it all up. Next, take your string trimmer, and if you have a steel trimmer, these procedures are gonna be generally the same across their lineup. I'm just gonna take a screwdriver here and jam it in this hole until it lines up with a hole on the bump head. We're gonna spin this in the opposite direction until the head comes all the way off. And boom. There it is. We have the head, which is now free, and this plate, which is gonna go back on just like this. Now what you need to do next is take these adapters and find which one threads on the best onto your string trimmer. In this case, the green threads on the best, so that's the one we'll be using. Now we're just gonna take this SpeedFeed 400 head and pull it apart so that way we can make it fit. Then I'm just going to push in these tabs on the side and pop the head off. There it is, and off she comes. Now inside here is our spool, and I want you to note our rotation, and it says L here, which means it rotates to the left. I'm gonna take this spool out. I do not need the line. You could reuse it if you want to, but I'm just gonna toss it. We're gonna get all this line out of here. Now we're just gonna set this down and take out this center component. This gold adapter inside is what we need to take out. Take your 10mm socket, if you can find one, put it right on top and give it a little whack. And out it comes. Then from here, we're gonna take our green adapter and just drop that right in. Press it on in. I didn't even need any tools right there. It just slid right in with my thumbs. Then from here, notice we have the L side facing down. I'm going to take my center component and drop it right in. Then from here, my spool goes into the base of the SpeedFeed head. And then from here, we're just gonna lock it all back into place with our cover. Then from here, take your top cover, drop it right into place. Perfect. I love that sound. From here, I'm gonna make sure my plate is in place. I'm gonna hold it with one hand and then thread on the head with the other, just like that. Then from here, we're gonna take our screwdriver, lock it in place, and then start twisting again to lock it down. And that is good. Nice and snug. And to help snug this video down with the YouTube algorithm, would you mind hitting that like button? Thank you. And by the way, hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and just so we're clear here, this video is not sponsored. I purchased this SpeedFeed 400 head with my own money, so you know you're getting an honest review. This SpeedFeed head is now fully installed. Let's restring it. Well, how about that? If you're interested in learning how to restring one of these SpeedFeed 400 heads, I'll have that video linked down below in the description. Now here are some other tips and tricks to help you out with this whole procedure. Now from here on this steel trimmer, we're gonna pop back on our metal plate. And if you notice, there are some threads and then some splines. It sticks pretty far down. And in some cases, on some trimmers, you may need this adapter, and you'll see that it goes on one way where it doesn't slosh around. If I flip this over, it kind of slides all over. In some cases, you may need this, but for this trimmer, with this deep of a well here on this adapter, we don't need it. We can just pop it right on. It says right on the package that this SpeedFeed 400 fits many other models. Other Echo trimmers, DeWalt, Husqvarna, or Husqvarna as some like to pronounce it, STIHL, Milwaukee, Home Depot's bread and butter brand Ryobi, Toro, Troy-Bilt, Craftsman, Redmax, and more. Now you may just have to play with the different adapters to get it to fit. Now here's what I like about these SpeedFeed 400 heads. First off, they're made in the USA, and they're one of the fastest and easiest string trimmer heads to reload. No tools necessary to reload it, and it holds approximately 20 feet of 0.095 or 0.105 string trimmer line. So you can be out there trimming for a while once it's loaded up. Just lightly bump it to advance the line and you're good to go. Now here's what grinds my gears with this Echo SpeedFeed head. The main cover here is all plastic. I do wish that this plastic cover here had a metal surface so that way it could take abuse and last a little bit longer. I have seen some people put a bolt through the center, but I'm not sure how long those have held up long term. The name of the game is speed with this SpeedFeed head. STIHL, 1991 called, they want their trimmer head back. This works, but it takes time. And if you don't load it right, you're asking for a jam. And if you look closely, you can see the orange line trapped up inside there. Way to go, STIHL. I will have a video on how to reload these STIHL AutoCut 27-2 string trimmer heads, along with these SpeedFeed heads so you can be more efficient with your STIHL trimmer. Without question, this is a total game changer for this string trimmer, and it's no surprise that so many have put it on theirs. If you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe, and for more cool Garage Gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.